In this video, we're going to make a homemade pie crust, homemade pastry. We have 3 ingredients: cold cube butter, cold water, and plain flour, all-purpose flour. We've placed 2 cups of flour and the cubed butter into the food processor. Next, we'll pulse it gently for several times until the ingredients are blended. We've pulsed it, and now we have small pea sizes of butter left and mixed in with our flour. And now we're ready to add the water. 1/3 cup cold water. And we'll pulse again. This is the dough with 1/3 cup water. No additional water is needed. Too much water will toughen your pie crust. Using a piece of parchment paper, we flour the surface using the sifter. Then we'll pour the dough out into the floured surface. And we'll form a ball. This recipe makes 2 pastries, so we'll divide our dough in half. Our second pie crust, we've formed a disc, wrapped in plastic wrap, and we'll place it in the freezer for future use. We're ready to roll out our pie crust. We formed a disc, placing it on our floured surface, and we're going to roll in a circular motion. An easy trick to move your pie crust to your pie plate is to roll it onto your pie rolling pin. Lift your paper and gently roll. And take your pie crust, place it on the edge, and unroll. You may have to center it a little. Now we're ready to crimp the edge. Just simply take the pie crust, fold it, and crease all the way around. Pinch it between 2 fingers. Edges are crimped. Now we're ready to trim. Just take a small knife and go around the edge of your pie crust to remove any excess pastry. This recipe and more can be found in our cookbook, We Gather Together.